Hi everyone, it's Nisha. So today I have H&M haul for you. My first autumn fall haul, I suppose, although I've bought just a couple of summery things, and I will explain why. So I've been putting this off for ages because till now it's been so hot, and because I've got mostly knitwear, I didn't want to do it, but today's a bit cooler, so I still might be sweating. Okay, so the first thing is just this ribbed vest, nothing special, but I'm wearing it because I wanted to show you that it's something that you can layer. You can put under a cardigan, or if you have a jumper with like a, deep V or something like that. So I bought this really nice sort of midi cardigan. I don't know what color that is, like an oatmeal. So I got this one in size medium and it was $19.99. Really nice and soft. Oh, I don't know if you can see how long it is. Let me stand on this chair. Right. Can you see it's got two splits here as well, so that's the length of it. I wonder if I could have gotten a smaller one, but then I quite like it being that slouchy. The sleeves are slightly long, but you can just turn them up. It's really soft, really warm. I'm already sweating. I think they did them in other colors as well. Anyway, just something nice to throw on, even as loungewear, in the winter when you're a bit cold, you could put that on. The next thing I got is these two jumpers. They both the same, just different color. Very similar knit to this actually. I don't know what this is made out of. Oh, this is from the Conscious line. So it's recycled polyester from post-consumer waste. So it's recycled. So yeah, it's polyester, it's not wool. I can't actually wear wool because wool itches me so badly. So let me put this one on over that vest so you can see that you could wear that vest under something like this, because this one has quite a deep V. So can you see you can just wear that vest under knitwear as well. Now I bought this in size small. I think they meant to be oversized, but I feel even the small is quite, roomy. It's not tight or anything. So, and I really love those sort of colors in the winter. Nothing special, just a baggy jumper. They did them in all sorts of colors, in light grey, dark grey, like a light beige, and the white one. So let me put the white one on. So this is without anything underneath. Can you see the V? It's not too deep. It's not like you're gonna be showing your cleavage or anything. But can you see it's quite baggy, and this is size small, so unless you like it really baggy, then go for your usual size. White is my favorite color, you know that, so I actually bought two of those. There is no price on this tag, so I don't know how much they were, but they were very inexpensive. Okay, you might remember this top that I bought in the summer in white and like a powder pink. I love this top so much that I bought another white one, and they still have them on the website. So I just got the black one and I got another white one. It's just such a beautiful, versatile top. The white one is actually on sale. I think it's under £10 right now. Unfortunately, I checked on H&M US. You don't have those tops on US site. So but I'm sure you remember that one. I have it in white and I wear it quite a lot. So I got that one, so I have it for next summer. I've just learned that if I really like something and I wear it a lot, I buy multiples. So yeah, the black one is pretty cute. Okay, so I've noticed that these tops and shirts and blouses with these huge collars are very in this season. I actually remember, I think it was in 90s, early 90s, that I wore something like that. So this is just a t-shirt. I didn't do it up. Probably would fit better if I did it up. I can't be bothered. So this one I ordered in size medium. It's just, you know, more interesting t-shirt. It has, I don't know, I feel like a choir boy girl. But I quite like it, it's different. Do up your collar. Shall I do it up? I hate these tops, they have these little buttons at the back. No, I'm not doing it. It's got tiny button and I'm gonna be taking it off. So yeah, there it is. Can you see it's got like a broderie anglais trim on the collar. Should really iron this a bit. Yeah, just a different t-shirt. Okay, this is another t-shirt, just a print t-shirt. Again, this one is in small, so you can see this is small because it is one of those sort of boxy, not boxy, but like proper 80s t-shirt, you know, so they're supposed to be quite big and swampy, but I didn't want it too big, so I got this one in small. You know, it's almost like a man's t-shirt, isn't it? But I quite like that print. They look a bit like peonies, which are my favorite flowers. So just something, you know, to wear with jeans, just to throw on. They did quite a lot of print t-shirts and some blingy ones, because some of this stuff I actually got in a store and some I ordered online. In fact, I ordered really nice jeans. They were sort of straight leg, not too skinny, ankle length, well, slightly cropped, and they were like £17, but unfortunately they were too big. I ordered size UK 12, but they were too big, so I've sent it back and I'm waiting for the size smaller, for the size 10. So so maybe I will just put picture from the website here next to me so you can see those jeans. Really lovely jeans, very comfortable, with a lot of stretch. I love that color as well. So yeah, have a look at those. They're £17. I don't think I've ever bought jeans that cheap. Maybe I did actually, a pair from Amazon. This I absolutely love. This is my favorite shape, square neck, puffy sleeves. It's quite warm, you know, one of those knitwears that are quite tightly packed. It's very stretchy as well. This one I ordered in or medium or size UK 12. I can't remember what it comes in, but I really love this one. This is my favorite shape of any top, really. I have a white one like this as well, but the white one is, you know, the eyelash knit, the fluffy type of knit, which I love as well, and is very warm, in the same shape. So let me show you that one. Okay, so I just checked, the black one was medium and this one is medium as well. This one is not too long. It goes, so my waist is here, it goes just past your waist, so it's not too long. If you don't like, if you like much longer tops, you might not like this one, but it's not cropped in any way. This one is just beautiful. Let me come up close. Can you see? Is that fluffy type? And I just adore the shape of it. I think they did them in other colors as well, in beige one, but I think the fluffy one was only the white one. So yeah, these are just beautiful. I love them. Might have to get another one of those just in case I spill like red wine or something on it, and I'll be devastated. So this is probably favorite out of everything that I bought. Okay, I think I just have one more thing and I will be done. And I got this sweatshirt. I just love the color of it. Again, this is very 90s, baggy, you know, with these big sleeves. And they're supposed to be baggy, but again, I didn't want it as baggy, so I've ordered that in size small as well. This is size small, but I just love that beautiful pink. So everything is really very casual. You know, there's no point buying things to go out anywhere. We've just been locked down again, sort of. I think Christmas is cancelled, New Year's Eve is cancelled, no point buying any stuff to go out in. So I just concentrated on more casual stuff. The last thing that I've got is just a working out top, you know, with these thumb holes. H&M has really good sportswear section as well, and very inexpensive. And I thought, as it's getting a bit cooler now, I thought I'd get something with a long sleeve, and I got this one in size medium as well. Okay, my lovelies, so that was my quick H&M haul, my first autumn haul. I will leave you all the links in the description box. I will try to find the same stuff on the H&M US, but I've noticed that we don't get all the same stuff, so but I will try. Okay, my lovelies, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching and stay fabulous. Bye.